What up, guys? It's that CD5. I'm with Anthony right now in the CL, and we're gonna work on the CD5. And today we're gonna be doing a tune-up because I still haven't done the tune-up, and I just got it a new exhaust and headers because before I was running on just headers. But I'll show you guys a quick peek of the exhaust and everything. It's pretty mint. Everything's brand new. The welds are freaking solid, dude. They're so smooth and beautiful. I got a nice fart can, but I'm just getting it because I wanted the exhaust and everything, and it was a good deal. I'm probably gonna end up chopping that off and doing like a blast pipe or something. But yeah, it's my CD5, and that's the CL. And what are we doing now?
AutoZone?
Yeah, AutoZone. We're gonna go to AutoZone and get stuff for the car. And so now we're going to AutoZone right now to get a bunch of parts to do a tune-up because I already got the oil and stuff. I just gotta get the spark plugs, the spark lines, and all that other shit. And I need a thermostat. And I'm probably gonna take my car to, well, I'm probably gonna do it myself. But just in case I'm doing it at a shop, just in case I need some extra help if something snaps or something. But we'll keep you guys posted. So we're at the local AutoZone. They should sponsor us by as many times as we come here. But gonna look for all the stuff that we need, man. So I got all the stuff I needed, except they didn't have what is it called? The oil filter and the transmission fluid, because people don't know what they're doing. Christian's probably like the best worker, and this guy, hold on, I point at him. This guy is leaving. He's got to go to work, so it's gonna be me. I'm gonna see if I either go to the shop or I go to my boy's house to do it. But yeah, the plan today is to put on the exhaust and everything, do a tune-up, and have this car running good. Because I gotta go for emissions. Then after, I can start putting money into it and stuff. So we're at Eddie's house. Before we do anything to the car, we gotta drop off his girlfriend, and then we gotta stop at Walmart because, like I said, at AutoZone, of course, the guy could not find my oil filter and didn't have the spark plug wires that I wanted because I want to get red NGK spark plug wires. But so far I got pretty much everything. I got the thread lock for the bolts to the headers and stuff. I got a thermostat because for some reason my temp gauge doesn't work, and I'm guessing is that little by little. I'm just gonna see what it is. Got the NGK spark plugs, PC blast, just to loosen the nuts. What else? And then some gasket maker for the thermostat. But yeah, I already got my oil here. I have 2 quarts there, and I got 2 quarts in the trunk, and I should be fine. And hopefully this car will be running a lot smoother and better. And I gotta get transmission fluid as well. What up, guys? We're at your local Walmart. Janito's with us. About to get some spark lines and the oil filter. We're looking for an oil filter for my car.
Looks so ugly.
Come on, how do they have one of these and it not work? Oh!
It worked. Well, look, I'm already on the H's.
Fuck you, I'll beat you there. I already got there. I already got it.
I already got there too. Fuck Honda Accord. Back. Damn, hold on.
96. Accord. 2.2 liter. Oil filter. Again, I have to press it. Wow, I'm stupid.
Just see the number.
It says it right here. All of these, just 3 kinds.
TG3, TG35.
I'm just gonna get the one in the middle, right? So what's up, guys? We just went to Walmart. We grabbed everything we had to do. I didn't record too much because we couldn't really figure out what we were like. Everything was so all over the place, and then we both couldn't even remember the actual. We had to wait in line so that we can find the actual shit because it was all over the place. So I didn't really record too much, but I don't know if you guys. I know you guys can definitely hear it. Just pure headers. This is why I want to fix it. It's so annoying, and I'm wasting so much gas, and my car's not going as fast as it's supposed to because there's no like pressure, there's no compressor. So we're gonna fix that today. Change the exhaust, like I said. Gonna do my tune-up. I got my oil filter at Walmart, and I'm still trying to get NGK spark plug wires, but they didn't have any there. Of course, it's Walmart; they're not going to have it. But yeah. Now we're gonna go pick up Mikey because he's gonna try and help us. So I'll keep you guys posted. So we're at Mikey's house, sitting with the poor EK. Knock, 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 knock. Junito's over there, and this is what I'm working with. See how shitty this looks now, guys? I'm gonna make this shit look mad nice. Paint the valve cover. Get a cold air intake. Probably gonna delete the reservoirs that I don't need, like getting rid of this. Getting rid of the AC.
CD5, nigga. Gotta take a picture before and after, nigga.
Just clean it up. Just in general, take out the what's it called, the cruise control. Is that Mikey?
Oh,
Hey, Mikey.
gang.
Oh.
Look at my piece of shit, guys. It's restfully laying. So it'll be back on the road.
Knock, 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 knock.
Who's there?
Blown
Do I need
piston.
anything in here? I don't know. Yeah, you want that speaker, man? Speaker. That one speaker.
That's a big ass subwoofer, bro.
Yeah. That shit's huge, man.
Oh, matter of fact, yeah, I don't have one on my door. On the other one.
So we're going to Junito's house after
Yeah,
I
I
drop
gotta
off
go
this
buy-
little pee-pee.
I'm trying to go buy some gloves, though.
I got gloves in my car, and I got gloves in my.
Extra large.
No, I got smalls. Well, mediums. They go. They're right here.
Let me see.
Actually, no, they're in the box. Right there, the clear box. The clear box right there. Because of the clear bag. Can you see box? I can't wait to put this shit in.
Yeah, you can't wait to put a fart can in.
What up, guys? We're at Junito's house. We're about to do the exhaust. I'm just waiting for him to come out of his house. He's gonna set up the backyard. We're gonna do it right here. He's setting everything up with the jacks and stuff, and letting everyone know not to pull in. So we're gonna do it here. All right, so we got the car on jacks. Gonna take off the headers. Put it in now. Pretty good quality. Every weld is nice. Alright, so I loosen every nut, well, almost every nut. I just gotta take off this one. But other than that, I loosen every other one. Now I'm just taking off the header, waiting for everybody to finish eating, and they're gonna help. Alright, so me and Mikey took out the bolts from the bottom. Shit was a pain in the ass, not really. Leverage, baby. Rusty's over here, looking all cute.
I'm looking right at Mike in the eye and he's doing the same shit, nigga.
But it's going out pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be a little harder.
I see you.
Yo, stop that. Yo, I can't even hold these no more.
Mikey.
Why not?
Yo, stop it. Yo. When did you know he was just all up in your balls?
I got you. Is that better?
Oh,
So
you
we
can
took
touch
off the headers already.
Touch your
Now
pieces.
I'm trying to take out the downpipe. Mikey, how's it going down there, bud?
It's going.
It's
Nigga, that shit would have been done.
So we took off the gasket. It's not bad for 266,000 miles, bro.
It's not.
That's why I don't think this shit's got 266,000 miles. There's
Has
no
junkyard
way.
writing on it? No, what the fuck is that?
I don't know.
You putting this on too?
I'm changing the oil.
Well, you're official.
Yeah, no? Yeah, gotta
Got it all.
I gotta change my thermostat bad.
This is a thermostat right here, right?
Yeah. I gotta change it.
Is that hard to do?
Oh!
What?
Niggas need to come down here.
I'm gonna just jack it where I had it before.
That's not so good. What happened to you, Miguel? Teamwork. I like that.
Just a little bit more.
Yo, Miguel, before you put this exhaust on, you have to do one thing.
What? Turn it on?
Car on.
Do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just so you can hear the open head. You don't rev it.
No, I'm not. 'Cause
Rev
that's
it
gonna
one time.
fuck something up.
Just redline it.
That's so deep.
A little tap.
So we took off the headers already. And with the new baby, headers and all. What is this, bro?
Team artillery.
Fuck yes, man. What are you doing, bro?
Fingering your car.
Oh wow, that's nice.
The time has come.
Put your ear right next to me, turn it on.
Rev it one time.
I'll do it for $5.
Do it.
Off the thing, go.
So we got the new headers in, and they are looking fucking beautiful. What you think, Junie?
You're sexy.
These are good.
DNA.
They look a little
And
skinny.
it's all DNA.
Sorry, guys. DNA exhaust system. Full exhaust system.
DNA.
It's there in it.
So it didn't work. They gave us some bullshit, like it didn't even fucking fit. It fit there, but the rest of the muffler doesn't work, so it's just fucking headers again, and it's even louder.